In this video, let's learn how to change the settings of the web site you have created. So these settings can be customized to suit what you want. For instance, if you want to change the website name from Roots Real Estate Limited, you can change them. You can even change the password of the admin. You can change the first page to be displayed when people visit your website and other things. So let's get started. You go to sidebar, you will see settings, click on it. Settings, when you click on settings, it will bring this page for settings. General settings, then you can change the website name. Maybe you want now to call it as Saint. Maybe you're now designing for a school, Saint Joseph Kachiri, Saint Joseph SS Kachiri. So as you're typing the name here, the website name appears here. Then the tagline, the slogan, you can say education at its best. Education at its best. You can even choose the site icon. That site icon will replace this icon you're seeing here. So let me see if I have any school logo. Let me select it here. Let me use this one. Very well. Let me save it as my site icon. Let me add another one because this one is not, has been rejected. You have here this one. Set it as the site logo. Okay. Maybe it cannot crop because it is offline, but when you're online, it can crop your image. Then the web address, you leave it, don't change it. Email address, you can change it, but they will have to first confirm it. Membership, don't change it. So what you can change is the site title, tagline, and site icon. You can upload it. Then you scroll down, the week starts on. You can change it if you want. Then after changing what you want, you click on save changes. The settings have been now saved. Now there is another thing, is we go to reading. When users visit your website, which page should they land on first? For example, when you open Ministry of Education and Sports website, there is that page that loads first. So you can even set it from here. So you come here and check your home page displays a static page below. Then come here, set the home page as home, the rest leave. Scroll down and then save changes. You do this before you start creating the elements on a page. I think that is it. Then you can, for now, that is it. That's how you can change the settings of the page. You can change the site name, site slogan, site icon, and then the first page to be displayed when a user visits your page. So let's try to refresh here and see the first page. I want this one to be activated. Let me click on it. So I've set the home to be the first page. That's why here you're not seeing home, as you can see on services. In the URL, you see, you're seeing services, but when I click on home, you're not seeing anything. You just see routes. This shows that when a user enters the website name, this page will automatically display on the web browser. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.